All right, guys, we've gathered here today to bring to you the world's cheapest skateboard ever. How much do you think this costs?
Free.
No, not free. Oh. Thank you. So let me get my tool to open this with.
Oh, God.
Scared the heck out of me.
Wow! Look at how thin the trucks are.
Looks like my
So
legs.
you guys might be thinking, you do Walmart boards all the time. Walmart boards at Walmart are $15. This is coming in at the shockingly low price of $13. Wow. On
They
eBay.
save $2 because there's no grip on it.
If they were to save money, they also wouldn't put it in this plastic wrap.
Man, they didn't even sand like the edges to make it smooth.
Looks like a
No,
number.
I
It
don't
looks
think
like it's
it'd
held
do that.
together by a number 2 pencil up here.
It is, literally. Look at that truck.
I bet they're hollows too.
Yeah, they're straight up no grip tape.
This is the type of board I feel like you break just dropping in.
The graphic is unbelievably incredible.
On a front graphic.
Yeah.
That's rare.
Front, that's rare.
Like, who makes these?
I don't know.
They can't just ask like someone like, hey, you skate? Like, what does a skateboard look like?
Oh yeah, so the feet are on this side, then you flip it over, the feet are on that side. So you could be like dolphin flip. I don't know.
Oh, these bearings are great.
The point of this whole video is don't break the.
He's
Got
gonna
him.
break
You think so? He definitely does break. How much do you weigh?
I don't know, 155?
Wow, how much do you weigh?
112.
I weigh 212. Let's go ahead and Rochambeau and see who goes first.
Uh-oh.
Can somebody not?
Snap.
Swoop.
All right, us three.
So us two for first place. And this is full park, by the
Wow,
way.
Aaron of course goes first. Oh, okay.
Dang it. Last.
Oh, okay.
Wow, I have a feeling that any trick on this is going to be incredibly hard no matter where you are, anywhere. Actually, kind of looks like Carlos.
Smells good. Point to your head.
Drop in. This is scary. Remember the glass skateboard? 212 pounds, drop in. Oh, wow! So if you break it, you lose, and everybody else wins.
Wow, I do feel like it's gonna shatter.
That 100% counts.
It feels like it's gonna break.
We'll give it to him. To the flat ground? Oh yeah. Woo! One kickflip on this and the whole thing is gone. Start off easy with a front side 180. Wow!
That didn't sound good.
No, not only did it not sound good, but it full-fledged, like just pushing down on the tail. I think we got a little bit of D-Lam occurring just right off the bat. Or is it this
No, that's a sticker.
sticker that is the graphic?
Wait, so for the people that buy this, how long do you think it lasts? Like a day?
Oh, like a 17 years.
All right, I'm gonna keep going.
Why am I falling every time?
Troy falls on everything. That was trendy and incredible. Kelly says, I feel like $13 they're making a great profit. I actually agree with him.
I don't even know what happened. I didn't want to break it, you know.
He's got to land it.
It's super weird.
Daniel, should I?
Is this what you?
I don't know, should I?
I would say yeah, but
Yeah?
yeah. You better land bolts.
Is that dirty?
If you don't land bolts, it's over.
Oh yeah! It's perfect. It's not gonna break. You know, I thought there was a crack and then it turned out it was just some dirt. This is good. This is solid. Oh! Yeah, boy. It's gonna break right here. I'm voting break in 5, 4, 3, 2, Kelly.
Not the only one who falls.
Hey, roll it.
Oh, see? Wait.
No way.
That wasn't me.
Play it where it lies. Go ahead. You got this.
Not what I was expecting to break.
You can still land this. Well, there it goes. Play it where it lies. You got that, Troy?
Y'all ready for this? Boom, boom, boom.
Yeah, count it.
Right?
Count it.
Luke's asking for it.
Oh,
What'd you say, Kelly? You will not land the first. All right, check this. How'd you do this, Aaron?
My thought process.
Oh, count it! Landed, nose manual. Wow.
Now I don't look that bad.
There's no way there.
Thank you! Oh, that flick early. Count it! Wow. Wow.
First strike!
Nope, right here. Last try, last try.
The holes don't line up, so we're gonna have to do 2 bolts. Wow, nailed it. Okay, so I guess I'm up again. Yeah, it's day 1 status. Wow. These roll like really well, and these aren't even good, and then these like don't roll, so it's like really hard. Ah! My legs got sore from crouching down so long I couldn't tray flip. Troy, the goal of this is don't break the.
Don't
just
break
saying, just saying. He can land nothing, and then it's his turn, and he first try, no slides. If it comes to us having to stomp it, that will be the day. Keep
I'll
going.
go 2 tries.
2 tries, you gotta land it. This is don't break the. I love when Luke has figured it out.
Just kidding.
Come on!
Like every time I try, it just goes whoop. My foot just goes whoop.
Oh, no grip
like,
tape.
whoop. Just like.
I don't like that noise you're making at me.
Did you hear that? It just went whoop. Next trick. Just cut it. Just stand.
Oh, you guys get that?
Let's get Luke special. We actually should crooked grind this. We should crooked grind it until it cuts in half.
All right, correct. How are you gonna get your foot not to go whoop?
You don't.
I don't know what happened there.
I'm up.
You can just roll off. You don't have to grab the board. Okay.
That didn't sound good.
Have to try it like that?
Can you grab the other truck?
Oh, Carlos.
Carlos is still going.
Alright, that qualifies as.
Broke the truck completely off. How? Play it where it lies.
15 minutes of fun.
Should I?
Yes.
This is gonna hurt so.
Ow! Oh, this is gonna end well. Headbutt.
Ow, I got a splinter.
Out of all the contestants that were unlikely to break it, Carlos at 115 pounds dropped off a 3-foot high ledge and the whole board shattered into pieces. The one good truck broke completely off. Wow. Man, they even have riser pads. You would think if they were trying to cut corners, they would cut out riser pads. That was like shockingly harder than you would have thought it was. Give that another go. Ah! All right, guys, well, we hope you enjoyed this video. This is a $13 skateboard. Probably not what you want to buy and start skateboarding with. We are actually putting together a full complete at brailleskateboarding.com that will be good quality and will be cost effective. Coming very, 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 very soon. Maybe even by the time this video is up, so you can go to brailleskateboarding.com and check that out right there. And then you can click right here for all the other videos in the playlist. There's a lot of fun videos. You guys can check them out. You guys will have a blast watching them. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. And remember, the point of what we do here every day is to teach you how to skateboard, get you excited about skateboarding. So I'll see you in tomorrow's video, and let's get your skate on. Thank you.